exploring the delightful world of fresh and pure tomato juice.
Tomatoes, with their vibrant red hue and robust flavor, have long been celebrated for their culinary versatility. Beyond just being a staple in sauces, salads, and soups,
tomatoes shine brightly in the form of refreshing, nutritious juice. Today we delve into the delightful world of fresh and pure tomato juice,
exploring its benefits, versatility, and the simple joy it brings to our palates. The essence of freshness. Nothing quite compares to the crisp, invigorating taste of freshly squeezed tomato juice.
Made from ripe, plump tomatoes bursting with flavor, fresh tomato juice offers a symphony of sweet and tangy notes that tantalize the taste buds.
Unlike processed juices, which may contain added sugars, preservatives,
and artificial flavors, fresh tomato juice is pure and unadulterated,
delivering the authentic essence of the fruit in every sip.
Nutritional powerhouse. Beyond its exceptional taste, fresh tomato juice packs a nutritional punch. Tomatoes are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants,
making them a valuable addition to a healthy diet. A single serving of tomato juice provides a significant dose of vitamins A, C, and K, along with potassium and folate.
Moreover, tomatoes are a potent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked
to numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Hydration and refreshment. On a hot summer day or after an intense workout, few beverages rival the cooling refreshment of a chilled glass of tomato juice.
With its high water content and electrolytes, tomato juice helps replenish fluids and restore hydration levels, making it an excellent choice for staying refreshed and energized. Its savory flavor profile offers a unique alternative to sugary sodas and artificial sports drinks,
satisfying thirst without the guilt of excessive calories or additives. Versatile culinary ingredient.
While delightful on its own, fresh tomato juice also serves as a versatile culinary ingredient, lending its bright, tangy flavor to an array of dishes. From cocktails and marinades to soups and sauces, the possibilities are endless. Bloody Marys, the classic cocktail, rely on tomato juice for their signature zing, while gazpacho, the chilled Spanish soup, derives its refreshing taste from ripe tomatoes.
Whether used as a base for simmering seafood or as a tangy dressing for salads,
fresh tomato juice elevates the taste of any dish it graces.
Homemade goodness.
One of the greatest pleasures of tomato juice lies in its simplicity and ease of preparation.
With just a few ripe tomatoes and a blender or juicer,
you can create your own batch of fresh, pure tomato juice in minutes. Experiment with different tomato varieties, such as heirloom or cherry tomatoes,
to discover unique flavor profiles and nuances.
For added depth, consider incorporating complementary ingredients like basil, celery, or cucumber. By making tomato juice at home, you can savor the unmatched taste of freshly squeezed goodness,
while knowing exactly what goes into your drink.
Moreover, the versatility and nutritional benefits of fresh tomato juice make it a staple in many cuisines around the world. In Mediterranean cuisine, tomato juice forms the base of hearty stews and sauces,
infusing dishes with its rich umami flavor.
In Latin American cuisine, tomato juice takes center stage in refreshing beverages like agua de tomata,
a traditional drink made with tomatoes, lime juice, and a touch of salt.
From North America to Asia, tomato juice transcends cultural boundaries, captivating taste buds and inspiring culinary creativity wherever it goes. For those seeking a healthier alternative to store-bought juices, fresh tomato juice presents an excellent option. By avoiding the added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives commonly found in commercial products,
you can enjoy the pure, unadulterated goodness of freshly squeezed tomatoes. Whether you're looking to support your overall health, maintain hydration,
or simply indulge in the pleasure of a flavorful beverage, tomato juice offers a natural and wholesome choice. Furthermore, the vibrant red hue of tomato juice is not only visually appealing,
but also indicative of its rich nutrient content.
The pigment responsible for tomatoes' striking color, lycopene, is a potent antioxidant,
known for its ability to combat free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body.
Research suggests that consuming lycopene-rich foods like tomato juice may help protect against chronic diseases, such as cardiovascular disease and certain types of cancer. In addition to its health benefits, tomato juice can also be a valuable ally in weight management and digestive health. Low in calories and high in fiber, tomato juice helps promote satiety and aids in digestion, making it a satisfying choice for those watching their calorie intake or seeking to support gastrointestinal health. The soluble fiber found in tomatoes may also help regulate blood sugar levels and improve cholesterol levels,
further enhancing its nutritional value.
Fresh and pure tomato juice offers a myriad of delights for the senses and benefits for the body. Whether enjoyed on its own as a refreshing beverage, used as a culinary ingredient to enhance dishes, or savored for its nutritional goodness, tomato juice continues to captivate and inspire.
With its vibrant color, robust flavor, and nutritional potency,
tomato juice stands as a testament to the simple yet profound pleasures of nature's bounty. So, embrace the essence of red and relish the refreshing taste of fresh tomato juice, knowing that each sip brings you closer to vitality, wellness, and pure culinary joy.
In a world filled with sugary beverages and artificial concoctions,
fresh and pure tomato juice stands out as a beacon of health, flavor, and simplicity. Whether enjoyed on its own as a refreshing thirst quencher or used as a culinary staple in various recipes,
tomato juice offers a myriad of benefits for both the body and the palate.
So, the next time you crave a revitalizing drink or seek to elevate your culinary creations, reach for the vibrant red essence of fresh tomato juice and savor the goodness it brings.